Hello everyone, this is Jama. I'm a part of Sephora Squad. Today I'm here to share with you my makeup tip and tricks on this makeup look. A lot of people call this makeup Smokey eyeliner. Whatever you want to call it, all I want to say, it fits to everyone. It's just beautiful makeup look. It's one of my favorites, but I want to make it super. So if you're interested in, keep on watching. Alright, my complexion and eyebrows is done. We're gonna start with Natasha Denona palette. We're gonna start with the color name is Hello. With the brush number 19 from Sephora collection, I'm gonna pick up the transition color. So here we're gonna apply from outer corner, starting from here toward tail of your eyebrows. Remember, it's transition colors, so that means it's not too dark, so you can play around and kind of sketch out what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna apply the same color under my eyes. Then I'm gonna work on, with a smaller brush, applying from outer corner, work towards the center. But I'm gonna keep it more this way. With a smaller brush, I'm gonna apply darker colors, more like outer corner, keep it on the lash line. Same thing. Towards, imagine it's a big wing liner which goes almost to your eyebrows. Don't worry about the corner because we're gonna clean it later with the concealer. Then I'm gonna go with Makeup by Mario palette. It's a matte palette. I'm gonna apply this one, and then afterwards I'm gonna apply black. So as you can see, it goes from lightest to darkest. Same thing on my lash line. Now it goes black color. Same thing in a corner. So after that, I'm gonna try to, with a concealer brush, I'm gonna try to clean it out right here. Then with a beige color like this one, it's almost like a peachy, it's like my skin tone pretty much. I'm gonna go with a flat brush. I'm gonna apply this inner corner to brighten it. I'm gonna do the same thing real quick here. Now time for lashes. This is the final look. I hope you liked it. Please let me know in the comments below if you liked it and thumbs up on the video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye!